previous cannon fire. So that would be the linen that would have been the shot, but today we are using foil, aluminum foil, because it's a little dangerous to throw linen at a roof that is made of wooden shingles. So it's a little bit safer to do it that way. The next thing, because there still would be hot embers down there, we're going to call for wet swab. Again, place a giant Q-tip down there that's wet, put out those hot embers, and then put them out, douse them. Now, because gunpowder does not react very well with water, we're going to call for dry swab. So instead of shooting that 4-pound cannonball that you saw, what we're Now that that is done, Mark is going to walk around the back of the cannon, place the ramrod up, telling me that it's ready for pick and prime. Pick and prime! So now Ralph is going to place a pick down there, puncture the cartridge, where then he's going to place 4F gunpowder to make a charge from inside the cannon outside. Secure the piece.
Я хочу такое думание. Totally worth it.
And also, depending on the weather, you do get a louder boom, because if there's heavier, the oxygen in the air is heavier, you get a lot bigger sonic boom that comes out of the cannon. So now they're going to secure the piece, and if you guys would like to take